How to check profit on Amazon seller. Go to Amazon official website and log into your account. Then click on three-dot option. Click Inventory. Click Manage all inventory. Let's locate the product that you want to figure out the net proceeds or net profit for. For this example, I have everything filtered down to this one product. Click on this product. On this page, scroll down to SKU Economics. This is gonna tell us exactly what our net profit is. This graph tells the sales, total costs, net proceeds for the last 30 days of this product. To check how much profitable my product is, go to the right-hand column here. The column on the right is showing me everything I need to know in relationship to our average sales price, how many units we sold for that given time, all the total cost, any returns, any shipping charges, and our cost of goods sold. That's it. Thanks for watching.